Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Sam Frosher. I'm back with another race with my friend Emil. You've seen him in one of my videos before. We're gonna race his bike and we're protected, hazmat stuff, mask, helmet, all of that, so I don't have to wear one. So we've got the same car here, the Honda City 1300 cc's, the same car that loses every time. And I've got my friend Emil right here with his bike. Emil, what do you want to say about your bike?
$125.
125 cc's Honda. It's 20 years old and it's quite famous in Pakistan. It's like the 6 feet distance, please. Move back. That's 6 feet. That is exactly 6 feet. He doesn't really say much, but I think he's ready for the race. On the third horn, okay? Beep. 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 What the hell? The car. What the hell? Alright, so we're looking for the road we're gonna race in. I think this is a good road, I guess. I don't really know. Yeah, this is the place I raced in last time. I came here last time as well. Ready? Alright, so we tried the launch. I got out just a bit ahead. In the start, Emil took it. His 125 is way quicker. Obviously it's lighter. This thing weighs like 1300 kilograms and it's very shitty, to be very honest. But you know, power to weight ratio and all that shit. So we're gonna try another rolling thing. Let's see how it goes. Alright, so we're at 100 and we are catching him now. We're catching him now. We're at 100, we catch 5. Bye bye. Obviously it's a bike. It will ride faster on lower speeds. The 0 to 100 it has a faster time limit. This thing has like around 15 to 16 seconds. I believe that thing has a faster 0 to 100. So on the shorter run, it's a win for that one. On a longer run, it's a win for this car, obviously. So you can't say any of these won because on little races, that thing wins for sure. Longer races, this thing wins for sure. So that's it guys for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. This was me, Sam Frosher, right here, and my friend Soban who helped us with the shooting. And Emil right here, the racer with this, I don't know what to call this, but this is very fast. What are your emotions after winning with a car? He's right. Whatever he said was so meaningful. SLS, you know what that means. Subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you in the next video. There's a lot of stuff coming up. Do you want to show your face?
Okay, we'll take that as a no.
Oh my god, we're about to see the face on the first video. You've seen this guy before on my channel as well. Comment down below what you want us to do and we'll do that for sure. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.